Earning money through affiliate marketing is a popular and effective way to generate income online. It involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to understand the basics, choose the right niche, and implement strategies to attract and convert your audience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, select a niche that aligns with your interests or expertise. A niche is a specific segment of the market, such as fitness, technology, or personal finance. Choosing a niche you're passionate about makes it easier to create content and engage with your audience. Research the niche to ensure there's demand and profitability. Look for products or services with good commission rates and reputable affiliate programs. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate offer a wide range of products to promote. Next, build a platform to share your affiliate links. A blog, YouTube channel, or social media page can serve as your base. A blog is a common choice because it allows you to create detailed content, such as product reviews and tutorials, which can rank on search engines and attract organic traffic. If you prefer video content, YouTube is an excellent platform to showcase products and share your affiliate links in the description. Social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok are ideal for visual niches, such as fashion or beauty. Creating valuable content is crucial for attracting and retaining an audience. Focus on solving problems or answering questions your audience may have. For example, if your niche is fitness, you could write blog posts about the best workout equipment or create videos demonstrating exercises. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within the content, ensuring they provide value rather than appearing spammy. Transparency is key. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links to maintain trust with your audience. Driving traffic to your content is essential for earning commissions. Utilize SEO, search engine optimization, techniques to rank your blog posts on Google. This involves using relevant keywords, optimizing images, and building backlinks. Social media marketing is another effective way to reach a broader audience. Engage with your followers, join relevant groups, and share your content consistently. Paid advertising, such as Facebook ads or Google ads, can also boost traffic, but it requires a budget and careful targeting to ensure a positive return on investment. Finally, track your performance and optimize your strategies. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor traffic and conversion rates. Identify which content and affiliate products perform best, and focus on creating more of that type of content. Experiment with different promotional methods, such as email marketing or webinars, to diversify your income streams. Affiliate marketing requires patience and persistence, but with consistent effort, you can build a sustainable source of passive income. By providing value, building trust, and leveraging the right strategies, you can successfully earn money through affiliate marketing.